It is 7:48. I start to work in 12 minutes. I just thought I'd document that I'm up this early on a morning that I'm not driving to Casey's before dawn. Anyway, I am going to answer comments today because I've got, I think, 3 days worth. And I've got my neck pillow. It's nice, it leans on the counter. If I get a chance to doze off, I probably will. We may have to go to Traverse City tonight, or this afternoon when I get off work. More on that later. So, hope the roads are good. I will, when it gets light out, it's still dark. You can see at that window, it's just starting to get light. You can see we still got our snow. I was a little worried about it because of all the rain we had, but it is possible that we got a little more snow, because my weather thing on my phone this morning said that the snow is going to be ending by 8:45. So we may have gotten more, although it's not snowing right now. But I'll know when it's light out. Meanwhile, it is 27 or 23, I can't remember. 23. It's 23 degrees outside right now. Yesterday went up to 42. Wow. That wasn't our January thaw yet either, because that usually doesn't come till the end of the month. So good morning, guys. See you later. Bye. Hi, guys. It's 3:30-ish. Dinner's in the oven. I think it needs another 15 minutes. Yes, I'm recording sideways. There's Chewy watching the dogs next door barking. The temperature outside is about 31, I think, just below freezing, and we just had some freezing rain, but it looked like little styrofoam balls, those little tiny ones. Sounded like ice, but it only lasted a few minutes, and then it quit. So it's just good, since Traverse City is about 75 to 80 miles. About the same distance as going to Casey's. The difference is Casey's expressway all the way. Traverse City is 2-lane, hilly, curvy roads all the way. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, this is today's dinner. It's 4 o'clock. There's brats from Steve's Good Fresh Brats I roasted. This is spaghetti squash with fire roasted tomatoes and tons of mozzarella cheese mixed in. Pete's trying to get Chewy to pee before we leave. It is 36 degrees. Well, look, it's 18 or 17. Oh wait, 419. I don't know. Anyway, it's 4 something. I'm not going to turn the heat on yet because it's still way on cold, so I don't want to blow cold air at us. We're leaving for Traverse City. I hate to be all secretive and stuff about going. Oh, I didn't even put on earrings. I didn't want to be secretive and everything, but it's not my business to tell, so we'll just enjoy the trip. Couple hours, the freezing rain and stuff is supposed to start. Takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get there, so but that's okay. We've already prayed for God to watch over us and keep us safe, and here comes Chewy and Pete, so I'm gonna go. I'll see you later. Bye. Guess where we are. Again. I worked again today. Did I say I worked today? 5 hours? Was kind of boring. I mean, there's not a lot of bugs out there, but there sure are a lot of telemarketers. So that was, Chewy. He's upset because Dad's not in the car. Dad's out pumping gas. 243.9, 244. I'm sorry, 253.9, 254. So that's all that's going on. Just an update. It's 4:33. And I will see you later. Bye.
Outcast.
Probably with a car wash or something. Maybe not. That one's 248. Well, we needed gas before it came this far, so. Wouldn't have wanted to drive all this way on the gas.
Yeah.
234 with a car wash.
Imagine the car wash even being open.
Nope, doesn't look like it is at all. Not even close.
I don't see the farmer's market doing it.
Yeah, they're not doing much, are they, this time of year? It's usually its biggest one I've ever been in, I think.
Yeah. Car's turning.
Something's going on at the sports complex. Ice skating, maybe. Oh, it must be hockey season.
Yeah, that's what I would guess. Probably hockey.
Lots of cars in the back.
It's pretty much the town.
Pretty much it. Hi guys, we're back. 31 degrees. Hear the freezing rain? I can. I know you can. It's 8:47. Pete's walking the dog. Pam's right there. And I better turn off the car and go and lock the house for Pete. I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, it's 9:19. Can you tell where I am? Yep, I'm in bed. Sit on the shade. I think probably a bug kill. Anyway, yeah, took care of my birds. Got my pajamas on, and now I'm in bed. I have no intention of falling asleep right away. I will be falling asleep within the next couple hours, but not right away. I'll get this edited and uploaded first. It goes so much faster using Power Director on my phone than it does when I have to put it on my computer. Pete's feeding Chewy. Chewy went with us, and he was a good boy. Yeah, Pam hadn't wanted to say anything before, but Monday while we went to Ann Arbor with Lyra, she had to go to the hospital. So she had had some respiratory bug thing. So Monday while we were gone, she took the Roscoe bus over to the clinic, the walk-in clinic we go to, and her oxygen was really low, so they called an ambulance and sent her to the closest hospital, Grayling, and Grayling didn't have a bed, so they sent her all the way up to Traverse City. And you know, I won't go into what they said and all that because that's not my place to tell. But anyway, that's why we had to go to Traverse City, because she was released this afternoon. So I didn't want to leave, given the weather, until she was sure she was going to be released. Because the doctor said, well, it'll depend on your test results today and everything. So, you know, she told me that like at 1:30 maybe. No, 1:15, because I took a nap a little after. Right after she called. I slept for like a half hour. Not a long one, but it's a good thing because I needed it. And it was about 3 or 3:30 when she called and said, my test results are okay, I can leave. But then it took a long time to get there because of the roads. The roads were a mess. Coming back, they were better in places and worse in other places. About half of the way, it was just ice hitting the road in the car. Just, you know, freezing rain, which is always dangerous. But to my surprise and delight, there was only one car that had spun off the road. So that was good. Salt trucks out everywhere. And we stopped at a grocery store in Kalkaska on the way back from Traverse City. It's about a half hour from Traverse City, although tonight it was more like 45 minutes. And because I'm going to make seafood chowder tomorrow, and I ran out of onions. You cannot make seafood chowder without onions. And she needed cat food. Anyway, it's neither here nor there. We got home at whatever time, and I am now going to relax and chill, have a little snack. I've got my sweet potato seedy crackers. They come in a foil thing. Once you open it, you got to put them in a zipper bag. Anyway, I think they're like half a gram of carbs each, but you saw what I ate today. It wasn't much. I ate about 3/4 of what you saw. I couldn't finish it. And then here I have some butter melted in a dish, and some cinnamon and some stevia with Splenda. Because I mix the sucralose and the stevia together. It's good. Liquid sucralose, not the kind with the maltitol. Anyway, so I'll dip that, the crackers in that. That'll all be good. And watch some TV. Try to chill. I'm still a little shaky from the rough driving, but God kept us safe. We prayed before I went. He kept us safe. He always does. And so here we are. Pam's back with her cat, back in her house. She couldn't wait to put on her pajamas instead of wearing a hospital gown. So, anyway. Alright, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Hope you all have a thrilling Thursday. Take care. God bless. And good night.